discarded by way of manifestation. There is no rule about that.
You have to get the opinion of the members. You have to get the opinion of the members.
You get your members.
Yeah, of course. Let the members make their peace.
Hindi mo ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin
Hindi dapat.
Issue lang. May motion, seconded. Tanong ka kung may objection.
Mas most of it.
Object and deliberation. Para ma-deliberate. Let's follow the procedure. Pag may objection,
Hindi po yun tinatanong ko sagutin ninyo if this community has the right to discard a welcome tradition. Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pinutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako
Ako rin nag-incident sa natin. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
to you a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Yung problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Follow the rules. You would have a motion introduced by a member, but it was an objection.
Bago po yung I was asking for an access.
You've answered your please the tradition of
Sabi ko mayroong tradition, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko ay
Excuse po. wala na dapat natin. Ang nangyari, ay barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking, bakit natin ginawa yung earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition? Welcome to us. Whatever, kasi with respect to the office of the President, Vice President. These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President. And that is correct. That is in line with the tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a welcome tradition? So kaya na, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Prati-pratinelo ba? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pag taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Esteban, I was already here when the Vice President was not in charge. When the Vice President was denied. When Vice President...
You were also here in the last hearing. No, this motion was introduced.
Yun na nga. Kasi, question na kagad eh. Wala na lang.
You can read the records. You did not introduce.
Sana eh, nag-motion siya ngayon. Of the rules, because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy, now goodbye parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
Dapat members answer your query or your manifestation.
Chairman na tinatanong ko kung pira naman natin. Pero sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that? Pira.
We don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also members, we just the same. Tanda, alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has to answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ang chairman ang sasagot.
No, it is not only the chairman.
Bakit magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, bakit? Hindi nagsalita na kayo. Kaya naman ito may call. Pwede magsalita yung iba. Pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Pwede ba yung that way? Sa parliamentary procedure in the House, that the members cannot speak. Pwede.
Such motion was not introduced in the last hearing.
I'm now introducing the motion, Madam Chair.
I second, Madam Chair.
To terminate the consideration of the budget of the Vice President, Madam Chair, on the basis of the long and time-honored tradition, Madam Chair. In order for us to respect a tradition in the same manner that we have respected the tradition here, that the first to interpolate every time is the member of the minority. That is the tradition. We have not yet discarded that. We're observing that because we are honorable members of this Congress. So the question is, why have we discarded that tradition? Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? If we are not able to do that, Madam Chair, then I honorably, respectfully now move to terminate consideration of the budget of the office of the Vice President, and I so move.
Second, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Madam Chairman, Madam Chair, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, it was moved and seconded.
Session suspended.
So ang pinag-uusapan po natin,
Wala na po ba yung respeto sa tradisyon na yun? Kagaya po ng binabanggit ko, every time mag-interpolate po dito, Madam Chair, because of that tradition, it's always the member of the minority who will start the interpellation because we have kept that tradition. Ang dami po. Ang dami ko pang sasabihin sa inyo, haba lang tayo. So the question is, when we did that to the Vice President earlier, now we're doing it now, are we now setting aside this tradition? That's number one question. Number two, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition?
Your Honor, short answer is no to both questions.
Okay. If that is the answer, Madam Chair, and we are all bound to respect one tradition so sacred in our hearts, because we are called honorables in this house. We cannot be honorables if we cannot honor our own tradition. We are defined by what we believe as a tradition in this house. So if we are now all amenable that we have kept that tradition, no longer questions are being asked, then I will respectfully move, Madam Chair, to move to terminate the budget of the OBP for 2025.
I object, Madam
Thank
Chair.
you.
I object.
Madam Chair, I
There's
object.
a motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, but there is an objection, so we divide the House.
Deliberate first, Madam Chair, before we...
The chair has decided to divide the House. So those
Madam Chair,
in favor of the motion,
as a rule, we usually deliberate
Those-
before
those in favor of the motion, please raise your hand. Those in favor of the motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, please raise your hand.
All those against.
Those who are not in favor of terminating, raise your hand.
For non-tradition!
Okay? 3 in favor, 45 against.
3 in favor, 45 against.
Motion is
The motion
lost.
is
Lost.
lost.
Madam Chair, I thought we have kept the tradition. The tradition is no longer ask any question. That was the tradition. So why are you voting against the motion?
Next.
The majority of the
It-
will
it's-
is
it's-
always respect.
It's
The will of the
inconsistent
majority
with the
is always
tradition that
respected.
we have already agreed to observe.
So we will
Yes, Madam
proceed
Chair,
to the next
you mentioned earlier that we will keep up the tradition. You said no. Earlier, no,
orderly
we voted
proceedings. I
against.
remind the members to please wait to be recognized before speaking. So the chair now recognizes the
Madam
budget
Chair.
sponsor, the Honorable Zia Adyong, to give a recap of what transpired in the last hearing.